Brian, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for the solar panel for my house.
Frank, where is the solar panel to Brian's house? There is no way he's paying utilities for the rest of his life.
Thanks, Dad.
That's more like it. My son makes his own electricity.